My name is Becca Davis, and I'm 15 years old, and this is my Draw My Life. My dad was in the military, so we moved a lot. I've lived in Georgia, South Korea, Virginia, Utah, and Florida. We moved to Peachtree City last school year. Some of my favorite things are reading, Doctor Who, Star Trek, Star Wars, South Park, Family Guy, and food. Especially pizza, chocolate, and ice cream. Music and movies are a big part of my life. I like all kinds of music, like rock, rap, and metal. I like most movies that aren't horror or romance. My favorite kind of movie is a comedy and an action movie. My favorite movie is Guardians of the Galaxy because I thought it was funny and it had great music. Someday, I'd like to work in film, as a director or a special effects artist. I would also like to travel the world and live in a different country for a year.